Ever wonder how to close nearly a deal a day in real estate investing? Click the challenge button throughout this video and subscribe to my free 30-day video series, How I Close Thousands of Deals. Hey, Peter Vekselman here. So today I want to talk to you about the importance of being disciplined, especially as it relates to the importance of being disciplined in this business as a real estate investor. So let me tell you a story of something that my wife just actually told me about some friends of ours. And what she told me is the husband got a brand new job. They weren't necessarily totally well off already. They were doing okay. But he got a new job, a promotion, more money. And 3 weeks into the job, remember, higher paying job, 3 weeks into the job, he tells his wife he's going to buy a brand new truck, okay? And, you know, they kind of went back and forth. I'm not sure what the result of it, but the bottom line is he put his foot down and they're getting a new truck. And then his wife came over to our house and she's telling my wife, and I think the word she used is, what a dumbass. And I know it's a strong word, but let me tell you something. She's 100% correct. That is somebody that is absolutely not disciplined. They're not disciplined with their money. How long are they going to have that job? What's the upside to that job? You know, 20 different things that can go wrong in that job, yet right away you make a little bit more money, and what do? You put it into something that will not make you more money. In this business, it is very easy to lose your discipline. I see it so many times where individuals start having some kind of short-term success, and they misinterpret that short-term success for guaranteed ongoing success. And what they do is they start taking some of those profits, and they do what this guy is doing. They're taking those profits and they're putting into things that have nothing to do with helping them make money. It could be cars, it could be vacations, it could be nicer personal house, you know, it could be 20,000 other things, except the one thing that's the most important, and that is putting it right back in a business and reinvesting it into something that's making you money. See, one of the quickest ways to grow and scale your business is to put more money back into it. Now, you want to put it in the right areas, in the right arenas. For instance, in the real estate business, if I had to reinvest a certain amount of money, I would almost always put it into marketing, because it's a documentable, well-known, 100% guaranteed thing that if you get your marketing down and, you know, if you get it down and you understand how to do it, the way to increase results is you just put more money into it. So if you're at that point right now where you're beginning to see some immediate success, maybe some short-term success, what I would tell you to do is focus on that word discipline. Be disciplined with your money. I don't even care if you're not just getting started, but maybe you're, you know, further along in this business. It's very easy to stay very broke just at a higher level. So make sure you're disciplined with your money. Make sure you put those first, you know, X amount of percentage right back in a business. Make sure you reinvest. Remember, money speeds things up. It allows you to scale. It allows you to leverage. It allows you to grow. Be very, very cautious of where you're spending your money. I will tell you this, if for some reason you've reinvested back in your business and now you have a certain percentage left over, my philosophy on it, don't use this money to then go do stupid things with. Because especially if you're in the beginning stages, you might not quite know how to correctly scale it. You might not know how to correctly massage this whole thing to get it the right way. The thing that may have worked in the first couple months for you may actually not work third, fourth, fifth month. So you may have to dip into some reserves. So be smart. Always have a percentage of reserves. Put the top portion right back in the business, and that's how you grow it out. I promise you, if you remain disciplined, if you do what you're supposed to do financially, there will come a time where you're going to get to a certain level where it's going to be an absolutely very easy decision to make, that now you could start taking some of that money and you can start putting it into cars and boats and houses and longer and fancier vacations and other things. You will know, it'll be very clear with how things are going, that now there's this nest egg built up here, and I feel no pressure whatsoever that I could take money from here and not get a return, because all these luxury things, very few of them give you a return. Matter of fact, almost none of them give you a return. But they create nice lifestyles, and let's face it, we build this business for nice lifestyles. Nothing wrong with that. Just be disciplined enough to get to the point where you could take the extra reserves and give into and start buying things, and if for some reason it doesn't work out here, you're not hurting because you put some money into things that aren't going to give you a return. Be very disciplined with your money. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in the Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you through email. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link right directly to coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.